Oh, well hello there. My name is Canon Rader with Yo Club Fitness, and today is a very special episode. It is featuring our very first Yo Club Rocket and Just Fit Justice here on today's very special drop day. Sit back, relax, grab your popcorn, grab a protein shake, possibly a protein bar, and enjoy the show. Oh, he's actually waking up. Well, boys, we about to go to Desty, waiting for Kaylee. It's 8:22, trying to leave at 8:30, but he just woke up. Just Fit, doing his thing. Also, we'll feature my father. Look at that. Come on, Jay Lane. You can step on stage with you, brother.
Step all over him.
And cameraman Grady.
Where's Just Fit Justice?
You know.
Sleeping?
Yep. We here at Destination Dallas, you know, our gym out here in Dallas. Houston was a trip, but we got Kaylee here. She's running Yoke Chicks. She's the CFO of Yo Club Fitness. The female, chief female officer. So she's the CFO. But yeah, we're gonna put her through a back and bi workout here and get some pics with Justice. I don't know what Justice is doing. Oh, there he is.
So this bodybuilding
team. Yeah, we're gonna go through back and bi workout. We're gonna show her how it's done. But we're not gonna do like the Jesse James West, like, oh, here you go. She knows how to. Yeah, we're going hard. She knows how to work out.
You always go hard, dude.
Oh my god.
Yeah, what is, look, he just got out of bed.
And I'm ready to go.
So, Kaylee's actually gonna show him how it's done. Today is drop day. You're watching this, it's probably like a week after the drop. So we got the electric on, look. She's got the electric blue. She's dripped up. If you check out her page, which, go check her out. We'll put her stuff in the description. But that's what she's known for. She's always dripped up. She always knows what's going on.
What do you have to say, Justice? I'm here to live.
I'm here to live.
There's no fucking weight here. That only goes up to 300.
Look, he needs his wraps.
Who is that guy? Big fan? He's a big fan.
Yeah, he's just a fan.
Yeah. Like butter. That's where Canon gets his disgusting genetics from. It's that man right there.
There. That's actually hard. And she's a plus.
Good workout? Yeah. Good job, bro.
Leave it there.
180?
230.
Oh my god.
Bunch of pussies.
That drop set, don't play around. Little man. Oh, what's up, man? I love the string, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit chest to buy so I can get a good pump for the big.
Well, me and Clay are actually working.
Mog in the gym. You're mogging. Look at that.
Those are vessels.
I'm just trying to still get warmed up here.
This is the day that goes by that I'm not in some type of physical or mental pain. You gotta put yourself in that position to grow. Pick the shit up yourself.
I need a gym that actually has some weight.
See the resemblance.
Love that shit. That's his dad, bro. That is your dad.
Justice's bodybuilding club, or powerlifting club, they just ate right before. They've been on the bench for an hour as we've gotten an entire workout, right?
Yeah, we have.
How long have they been on the
They've been
bench?
over there for a hot minute.
A hot minute. In the comments, let us know if Kaylee can mog Justice. Obviously, look at that.
Oh.
She's coming after the industry.
Smog City up in here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Good lord.
Bunch of meat right there.
What does mod mean?
Oh, so like mog is just when you like out angle someone or look bigger than them in camera, like in a picture. So like you're mogging them,
Like taking over?
yeah, taking over, looking bigger than them.
Little alpha male?
Yeah, alpha,
Absolutely.
alpha straight moves. Did you see that?
What does Mog mean?
That's good. Yeah, dude. This is why Justice hasn't been in the video because he's powerlifting with his friends.
Powerlifting.
How long have y'all been over there?
10 minutes, huh?
And, oh, that's a cap.
45 at least.
I had to eat breakfast. This guy didn't feed me.
Exactly, you had to eat breakfast.
Who eats at the gym? Who eats at the gym?
It's literally, look at, there's a breakfast entree.
Exactly. You don't have to eat it. We didn't.
Well, that's why I'm gonna get bigger because I eat.
Oh, bigger? He's 170. Off like that, but I like doing elbows back. Size of your head. Look at that.
So heavy for no reason.
Hey, well, it's just because we're together for like 4 days, 5 days, so we had to get good content. So I try to hit PR 3 days, deadlift PR 3 days in a single week. Got it the last one, as you can see, but I mean, my back didn't hurt, but it didn't look good on camera.
You're making me nervous with reading the stuff I love.
Oops.
CFO and Milk Mom.
Yeah, they do working.
Especially Patty. Chatty Patty. Chatty Patty, bro.
I'm doing 140 over there.
Oh, yeah?
Combined.
It's combined. There it is. This kid's fuck.
Good. Nice. Okay. Would you like to face the front?
Chasing the pump.
We have to.
About this. Is this your company?
Yeah, Yo Club, Yoga Fit. So we started it this summer, just in my garage at home, posting workout videos and stuff. So we started in May of 2020.
Okay.
And then,
Right in the heart of COVID.
yeah, right?
Oh, yeah, it's
COVID,
perfect.
I played football at Texas Tech. COVID hit, came back. I was like, I always wanted to start my own brand, so we started it. They had me at corner.
Cornerback.
Yeah, I went 205.
Wow.
So that was
That's a big corner.
Yeah.
Okay.
Signed our first ambassador, James, and in August, end of August, and so then we've been just creating a team ever since. So like last fall was mainly like us building our team, building our foundation, just found TikTok influencers that we saw fit like our culture and what we wanted to do, and that's what it's all about, the team right now. And like our message behind it, people don't buy Yo Club just because of these shirts and stuff. People buy it because of the message. behind it, and that's what we love. The message: chase your dreams, freaking go hard with everything you do. Like in the gym, so we just have fun, do what you love. Like, I mean, you only got one life. Like, freaking do what you love. Like, screw what everyone else says. Just chase your dreams. So that's kind of that's our message.
Bring the hype back.
Yeah, bring the hype back to the fitness industry. Like, people take stuff kind of too seriously. Like, we just love doing what we do, hitting PRs, having fun with the boys in the gym, just hanging out. Big thanks to you guys. I mean, that's what it is. Our fan base, like, that's what we kind of are building upon. Like, our fan base is so strong right now, and that's what we love to, like, connect with our audience and connect. Yeah. It's all about your connection with your audience. Yeah. And then we got the Yoke Women's line. She actually, it's coming out next month. She's the CFO.
Yeah. So how did y'all all meet?
Yeah, I got him off the TikTok. I just found him. He had 8,000 followers on TikTok when I found him. Now he has
I was like 135.
135,000.
Okay.
Yeah. I went to high school with Grady.
Yeah.
I'm behind the camera right here. Yeah. So it's pretty crazy how it's all working, but that's our thing. Like, we're trying to own the TikTok realm. TikTok.
We already do pretty much. Like, he flies us out. We do meetups. It's crazy, and then we just explode.
Yeah.
Cool.
And we're actually moving in together here in the next couple of weeks.
You're gonna go buy a mansion, just all have like your own thing.
Not a mansion, but a house. Yeah, a good house.
Soon.
Yeah,
Not a mansion yet.
You gotta have a future goal.
No, like
They're always going.
Want some food?
I don't want to eat.
Looking a little
There's
small.
some food here.
So
we eat after, not before. But Haley, what was your diagnosis on the workout?
I'm definitely more yoked than before, so that's a good thing. My arms are really hurting.
We got a better workout in than we would with the guys. We I think I said that before, but patty cakes, protein, motor mouse, I swear. So me and Kaylee will actually be workout partners. Justice will be with his
powerlifters.
But no, pretty good workout. Drop day, we're gonna kill the drop. But if you guys want to see Kaylee more on the YouTube, comment. What should they comment?
I don't know. More KB.
Yeah, more KB. Comment more KB for the algo, and if you want to see Kaylee in here. You'll see a lot of her more on the Instagram, but yeah, make sure you go check her out. She got a lot coming. She just started her fitness page, and it's gonna be sick. YouTube videos are gonna be crazy. All right, we're back. I don't know where we left off because we've been packaging, boys. We still have some stuff, but we packaged most of the stuff. Look at all that. Look at all those orders.
Why are you eating my protein bars?
What?
Why are you eating my protein bars? Knuckle nuts.
I need it more than you.
Yeah, whatever.
You do need it more than him.
Exactly.
Grady, please blur this out, but boys, we're looking for the Yoke House.
This is one prospect.
One prospect.
Gonna check it out first.
Yes, sir.
Welcome to the crib, boys.
Nice little fireplace.
You know Patty Cakes is gonna be in here.
Oh, he's gonna be. So this will be his room. This is Patty Cakes' room.
There's a little cot here in the pantry.
Nice little fridge action.
I'm sure this is the pantry. Ooh, icon meals in there.
Yeah. Nice little space right here. Nice garage.
This is where protein will live. This would be
Yeah.
his room.
Protein room.